Right, hello, welcome back. I bought this Hayter last night. It's a 48. I paid £10 for it. The nut's missing off a wheel, so I've just put it there. I haven't started it at all because I was told it's overfilled with oil and the oil was coming out everywhere, so they drained the oil. It's now on about minimum. I've just sniffed the petrol and it just smells very, very weak. Put my finger in there, just come out and smell it on my hands. Normally smell of oil and stuff. But let's get it started and then we can have a little chat about it, see if it runs. You can see the bodywork down the side is a bit dodgy, and the nose cone's a bit bent. I think I did that getting in the van last night. Like I say, I haven't tried it, so it's obviously going to, well, I take it it's going to smoke, or at least they've been running it, I don't know. After they overfilled it with oil, they might have done. Well, can you see the smoke? Yeah, it's just got an exhaust from it. I don't suppose you can see it from there, I don't know. We've just got a little bit of, just turn it around a bit. Just got a little bit of an exhaust. Well, the smoke will burn itself off. Started really well, didn't it? So I'll give it a bit of a service and put a wheel on it, and that's usable, I'd say. But like I say, we'll have a look at it in a minute. It's still quite early in the morning, that's why I won't run it for too long. Plus, I just got to wash it out. Well, it's probably not a good idea to have it running too long with the smoke. But yeah, let's give it a second go, see if it starts again. I think what I'll do is put some fresh oil in it before I run it too much. It's a bit knocky, it could be a blade. We'll have to have a look. Right, I've been trying to burn the smoke off on it, and normally it takes about 5-10 minutes at most to burn the smoke out of one of these, out the exhaust. For this one I had it running probably 5 minutes after I finished filming, and last night I had it running for about a good 10 maybe 15 minutes. It was still smoking. So I took the plug out this morning, pulled it out, definitely no oil in there, and I thought that's weird. Started it up, still got oil on the plug, but I thought, oh, I'll start it up with smoke out a few minutes and that'll be finished. Well, it's run for a good 15-20 minutes this morning, and I realised what it was, and I just didn't think about it, to be honest with you. Not only had they overfilled it with oil, they'd filled the petrol tank up with oil as well, so it was burning off, so it wasn't clearing itself. It would go clear, and then it would sort of 30 seconds later it would smoke like, I've got a big shadow in the way. But yeah, it would just keep smoking, and all of a sudden it cleared, and I thought, oh lovely, that's sorted itself out. And 2 seconds later it ran out of petrol, and then when I wiped my hands around inside the tank, the whole tank is just soaked in oil. So I've put a little bit more oil in it, I'll put a bit more oil in it, a bit more petrol in it. I've changed the oil in it. That's what I did last night, so I knew it hadn't got too much oil. Just thought I'd show you the oil filter. I don't know if you can see it. That's it. Did I say oil filter? I mean air filter. I did say oil filter. Air filter. But I couldn't make it out. I was getting oil running from the air filter, and I thought, well, no, it's all clear because I've emptied it, drained it. As you can see, I washed it yesterday, and there's still oil. And this here, I don't think you can see it. I put a petrol cap there, and that's all oil. Right, we'll have a little bit more of a go at it, and then a bit more filming. Something else I was going to say. I put the nut back on the wheel yesterday, or a nut on the wheel, and then this morning I've come out to find that the nut just fell off of this wheel. But it was alright, I'm sure it was alright when I went in last night. I found it was on the floor, but one of them mowers what I think just don't want to get fixed. But we'll clean it up again, sort it out. I might take the carb off and put it through the cleaner, and then sell it. I don't know, I'm in 2 months to sell that, or keep it and have this one, sell this one. Don't know yet. Right, hopefully you can hear me okay because it's windy now. But that's what I'm going to leave the video here at the moment. I've got a few things to do. It hasn't rained for 5 or 6 weeks, so the grass is dead, and there's no point me putting them on the market yet until the grass starts growing, because I really want to leave. I don't want them on there too long. So I'm going to do some more videos, and we'll mention the prices as it sells. When it sells, we'll bring the price up. We've got quite a few mowers to do yet, as you can see. So if you like this sort of stuff, subscribe, thumbs up and all the rest of it. Make sure you ring the bell when you subscribe. Look out for the videos that are making money from lawnmowers, and I shall see you next time. Bye for now.